Hey there, YouTubers. It is Friday, January 10th, and it's a very foggy day. And I am heading to Columbus, Ohio, and my uncle and I are going to go to a boat and RV show. So I'll make a video, I'll send it your way. Hopefully there'll be some hints and tips for you, ideas of things you may or may not want. Should be a nice day. Stay safe. Very foggy out today. I think I will maintain a smarter head. Wow. Yeah, it is very foggy. So stay safe wherever you are. Travel safe. Man, it is foggy out. Again, people won't drive in the right lane for some reason. Has everybody on the right. I think the air is warmer than the ground, so we're getting all this fog. Good way to not get a ticket too. No need to go 100.
This is nice.
But see here,
I changed the finishes, but
why do I need that?
I don't know.
You know what I'm saying? Well, we couldn't fit the bathroom sink in there. I can wash my hands in the
Oh, you can't wash your after your
You know what I mean?
You can't use the kitchen sink.
Right.
I'll take that one. You need a bag.
I do need a bag.
I'm sure the bag.
I need a bag. My uncle's not looking out for me.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah, you'll pay more for smaller sometimes.
Uh-huh. Oh, this is cool.
My TV outside.
Oh, this is pretty sick.
It's 125,000 for a bounder. It's pretty open.
Yeah, it's real open. Real open.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, the bed gets turned this way
Yeah.
to bump out, but you could still have
Open space though.
Mm-hmm.
125 grand. Not that bad. Yeah. Again, you buy new, you deserve to get ripped off. This is 230.
Yeah.
I don't like it that too. I don't like it that much.
3 doors into the bathroom. You gotta go real back.
It's $130,000 Class C.
This makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. A Chateau 33.
Don't work.
Standard house refrigerator.
Mm-hmm.
Size bathroom. This is Revolution 42T, 309,000 sale.
Okay,
What do you think, Keegan? Huh?
beautiful.
This is almost better than the cottage, you know?
Whereabouts you got a place up in Lake Erie?
It's Fremont.
Yeah, sure do.
There's 2 of you in this one, huh?
Got, yeah,
I mean, cedar lined closet and stuff. I mean, it's nice.
Walk-in.
There are very different types of RVing in the world, and this is one of them.
Wait a minute. Slick.